Hey guys, it's Rashad Holt with today's tip. I'm going to teach you guys how to implement a reverb drop inside of your vocals. It's a really useful tip, and it can really help your mixes really stand out above the competition. All we need is, for this example, I already have my template set up, and what I'm going to use is I already have on my stems bounced down to a 2-track, so to make it way simpler for this example. I have one of my hook tracks already that I'm gonna implement for this example. And so let's get started. First thing you want to do is hit Command Shift N, and what that'll bring up is your new tracks list. You just add in a mono aux input. The reason it's mono is because the track that I'm gonna duplicate and manipulate was recorded in mono, so it's a mono track. That's why. And for this example, I'm not really going to bust the 2-track, but if I were going to bust the 2-track, I would use a stereo aux input. So here we go. So go to mono aux input and create. Set your input to bus 1, and then just let that just hang out. One more tip: hit Command and then hit solo. That'll make it a solo safe. So for other sessions, if you have any aux inputs, what solo safe does is, like, say you only want to hear this bus and the track starter bus to it. Solo safe, you solo the tracks, and solo safe will always keep the aux input on no matter what. So even if nothing's going through it, it's still gonna be on, but it just helps. It just helps. Okay guys, so first thing you're gonna want to do is go to your track, and you want to duplicate this track. The reason you want to duplicate it is because when you manipulate the reverb drop, you want your original hook to still stay intact. You don't want it to be affected by any reverb, any delays, anything extra except what you already pre-mixed. So like if you do the whole thing, it'll sound sloppy, and it'll really turn the listener off, and so that's just good. So only do this on the duplicated track. Leave the original track the way you had it when you mixed it. Okay, so here we go. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and hit micro so you won't even see it. And then I already have right here where I want the drop to go. So real quick, I'll let you guys hear it. Oh shit, I just got promoted. Oh shit, I just got promoted. So yeah, super simple. First thing you want to do, or the next thing you want to do is highlight where you actually want your drop to go. So just go marker to marker, literally, because we set up templates because we're professional. Hell yeah, I love it. And then you just want to hit the B button for break. Simple. It's broken. Then hit Command M, and this will mute the clip. So hit Command M, and then just take a quick listen to the last word that you want to duplicate. Promoted. And then, sorry, I'm sorry. What you want to do is go ahead and break that. Simple. Now, here's the trick that you must remember, because my first time doing this, I really messed up, and I tried to go turn it in. The client was just like, "Nah, this ain't it." So you want to highlight the outside waves of the duplicate track, and hit Command M, and hit Command M. Now, once that's done, that is pretty much your reverb track. All you need to do now is literally bust a duplicate track to the mono aux input. Now that it's bust, what you want to do is go to the bus, and you want to add a little bit of reverb. I'm going to use the stock plugin because most viewers have stock plugins. At home, I have stock plugins, so I'm gonna keep it real. So here we go. Reverb. Then I'm just gonna dial in. Nice little room, small room. Honestly, I love to like use my lucky numbers, so I'm gonna use the number 334. It's faster to just type. All right, dial it in. Now the dry wet signal is about how much reverb is going to go to this vocal. This is kind of important for this particular thing. We're just gonna leave it probably at about 75%. Put on a high pass filter to filter out. I got mine set at about 9K. Presence for vocal intelligibility is about 4K to about 10K. That brightness tone that you really want. Honestly, that doesn't really matter for reverb. That's more of like a EQ part of mixing. So I'm sorry, I kind of brought that up. I'm sorry. But the point is, we can go a little bit pre-delay. All right, let's check it out. Oh shit, I just got promoted. Honestly, for example, that's pretty much how you do it, and I'm pretty much done for this example, but honestly, I can't help it. I just got to do it, put a little bit more reverb on it. I'm sorry. Let's just make it a little bit more sloppier. Oh shit, I just got promoted. Realist, I'm finna go to Germany. I'ma take the phone and spin it on the outing. It ain't tricky if you got it, bitch, I'm ballin'. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is pretty much how you do it. You can, once you get it dialed in how you like it, then you can adjust your settings to make it fit your particular mix. That is all I have for today, guys. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Or I might just make another video specifically for you. Hey, guys. Have a happy recording.